we need to understand that reading a normal book is much different from reading and preparing for an exam. The books which are meant for studying academically are written in a much structured way. There are bullet points, there are proper headings, subheadings. The chapters are classified as per proper lesson plan, and there is a curriculum framework which guides the setting up of these chapters. So it's much easier to study academically rather than just reading a novel or reading a book of self-help, for example. The first important thing that we need to keep in mind is starting early is very, very important. Though we are doing this for exercise only to understand that we can study in short time, but it is still to be kept in mind that if we start early, we get a lot more time and much better opportunity to study properly. The first thing that you need to do is to scan the books that you have. Whatever study you want to do, just flip through the pages and see what you want to do. You should have a bird's eye view of what you all have to go through. Then only we can actually read and grasp what we are going to read. It cannot be like reading a novel when suspense unfolds. We should first take a bird's eye view of what we have in syllabus, what we have to study, and then we should get into actually doing what we want to prepare. Similarly, you should also study the paper and the question patterns before starting the preparation for any academic subject. These two things are a gem of an advice which will help you to prepare for any topic in short time. If you know what types of questions are asked from a topic, if you know what is present in the topic, it's very easy to prepare that topic in short time. Let us now see how we can do different subjects taking examples from their textbooks to prepare them in short times.